Hello guys, I'm here at one beautiful garden and today it will be a funny topic because I'm going to share with you how to get salary raise, how I keep my salary high and how I get large raises for short amount of time. Let's go! Have you ever wondered how to grow faster as a software developer? Have you thought about why you are not completely valued, best paid, or your opinion is not taken seriously? Have you dreamed about shine positions and good money? My name is Vladimir Georgiev and I will attain that for you. So let's first talk about value. You're making a contract between you and the company and you're giving a value to the company and the company gives value to you. But what does this value means? In the beginning, I thought that I'm just producing code and the company just pays me salary. But this is not the whole case. Actually, we're not only code machines, we are more than that. You have a lot of qualities, you have a lot of values that you can bring to the table and the company can benefit from them. So for example, you can help with the company goals, you can help with the product, you can improve the team performance, you can help other developers to crush more and on and on. So you have to understand what are your values and qualities and how to use them in order to achieve the company goals or the team goals and so on. It started becoming cold here, so let's find some sunny place. Oh, it's a little bit better here. So now let's talk about the company value and what the company gives to you. Most of the times we underestimate the company value and we're counting just the salary and we're comparing companies just by salary, but this is wrong because you have a low package of a lot of things. For example, you have medical insurance, you have sports package, you have stock options and on and on. Actually also you have a community. It's the thing that you don't see, but in order to have people around you which you can learn from, the company pays a lot of money in order to bring these great professionals, great developers in this company. They build a brand, they build a great products, they use the great technologies in order just to have great professionals and yeah. So we saw what we give and what we receive from the company is the tricky part to evaluate ourselves. So it's tricky because it is pretty hard to say I cost, for example, $3,000 level a year or whatever, because you can cost 3,000 for one company, but you can cost 2,000 for other and 5,000 for another. And it's very hard and it's not a constant thing. We research what are the salaries in the industry for the similar positions like yours. Also, how much, be honest with you and write down how much new technologies you learned, how much new concepts, new languages, new stuffs you've learned in the last years. How more complex stuffs you can solve, how faster you are, or how more independent you are. So all of these things can make you a difference. Can you understand what the other people in the company did, how they're valuable, how the managers, what they're doing, how you can help them? The important part here is to write down what you deserve and what your value is, something between these two things. Not your wish, because your wish can be a lot higher than your value or what you deserve. If you don't like the number, you have to write it down. You can increase your value with learning new stuffs, gaining new skills, or working harder. It's in your hands. Very soon we are going to open 10x Software Engineer Mentoring. If you are wondering how to get a promotion, salary raise, or have another goal in your software engineering career, we can help you achieve your dreams faster. If you feel stuck at work and not learning anything new, we can help you as well. We are building a system for your software engineering growth. Read the information on the page and apply it if you want to be mentored by me and my partner, which is one of the veterans in the industry. The application form will take you less than 5 minutes, so hope to see you soon, and keep in mind that the spots are limited. There are two ways to keep your salary high. The first option is to negotiate high first salary when you join a company, and the second option is to get regular raises every 6 months or a year. We will not talk about the first option because it is a topic for another video, but keep in mind that the actual negotiation talk is very similar. One of the companies that I've been, I negotiate very high salary for the current experience and knowledge, and this gave me the opportunity to not ask for a salary raise for more than a year, and I was testing the approach to get a high salary raise after this long period. Another company that I've been, I got around 30% salary raise for about 6 months. There were actually 2 raises, and back then I was managed to play my cards very well. I want to say something here. Don't focus on the money, focus on the value that you're providing to the company, and you will be able to get as much money as you want. I would explain in detail how to get salary raise with some tips and tricks, but I rather prefer not to do that. Starting from the inner mindset, I think, is the better way to achieving your wishes. Tips and tricks are just a mask and will help you only in short term. So what you can do: understand and contribute to the common goals. Your team, your company, organization, they have goals, and you have some skills. You can contribute to these goals. Ask your manager or lead what is the bigger picture of the product, of the company, what we are fighting for, and try to contribute to these things. So another thing is to increase your knowledge. You have technical knowledge, you have knowledge about the product, about the clients, about the company. You can improve your performance, for example, writing more code, fixing more bugs, and so on. You have skills. Actually, improving yourself as a communication will be beneficial for the company, because your interactions with the people will be easier. Improving yourself as, for example, working on your self-confidence, on your ego, for example, will lower the conflicts in the team, and on and on. So everything that makes you a better person will help to the company. Gain trust. Gaining trust is not easy, but if you follow your words with actions, for example, is one of the steps to gain trust. Gaining trust only for your managers and leaders will not be so good. Understand others. Trust is about understanding. If you understand others and they see that you understand them, will gain your trust. Another thing that I love to do is to be ridiculously honest, but without hurting anybody. I'm saying what I think, but trying to be polite. Another thing that I think is crucial for the company is to make decisions fast. Act fast, and after that take responsibility. So when you have some decision to be made, you have to decide fast and act fast. And there are 2 options after that. Either you fail, or other option is to succeed. So when you fail, take responsibility for the failure and try to fix it somehow. If you succeed, everything is okay. About the actual negotiation, don't start with I want bigger salary, I want this, I want that. Rather start with how can I help you with our work, how to increase my responsibilities, what I can give more, and yeah. Prepare for this meeting and show what you've done till the last review, and what are your future plans, what you want to improve, what you plan to do in the future and so on. Like that you can take feedback from your manager. Also, be positive in this meeting and don't take your emotions in the game. Good luck. Hey you, are you still here? If you like what I do, please help me with subscribe, share, like, write me a comment what do you think, or tell me what do you want to discuss next time.